If you want to delete default holidays on iPhone calendar and you think, well, that's actually not necessary, here's a step-by-step guide on how to pull that off. So first of all, open up your calendar app. Okay, click the calendars at the bottom middle and basically unsubscribe from those holidays. Let's say, for example, this holiday I want to unsubscribe: birthdays, Siri suggestions, home, work. Well, it's written in Arabic, so you won't be able to understand it. So basically, you get to see the holidays from the calendars right here, right? Make sure to unsubscribe them if you're not interested getting these notifications to your email, and then hit done at the top right to apply those settings. So let's run on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.